First, we begin by drawing the central part. The top is called stigma, which grows from ovary. It is the sticky part where the pollen lands. Make the tube-like style in the center of the flower. Below the ovary we can find the receptacle. The colorful part of the flower are called petals. They attract the insects and birds. Stamen is the male reproductive part of the flower. Each stamen consists of a thin stalk called a filament and a pollen-producing structure called an anther. The pistil is the female reproductive part of the flower that consists of three main parts: the stigma, style and ovary.